Welcome to the Muluka Academy. Myself Anil Kumar Skija, I am your mathematics teacher. So today I will take the topic class 9th, first chapter number system. So in number system, so this is class 9th number system. So actually when we talk of the mathematics, we deal with the numbers. So we deal with the various types of numbers. You see we can see it on the number line, starting with 0, all these numbers 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and so on. These are increasing, and likewise here also we can have -1, -2, -3, -4, -5 and so on. Now all these numbers belongs to the integers. These are integers. Now if we just take a simple question, we start from here 1. When we move from 1 to 2, can we jump directly from 1 to 2, or there are intermediate steps? We can see that there are 1.1, 1.2, 1.3 and so on. So in between two integers there are these numbers. These are the decimal representation. These numbers are known as rational numbers. So if we define rational numbers, we can define them as those numbers which can be represented in P upon Q form. These are the rational numbers, or in simple words, those numbers having decimal expansion, having decimal in the end, are known as rational numbers. For example, a number we take as 3 upon 5. This is a rational number. Now what will be the decimal expansion of this? This will be 0.6. We can represent as 0.6. Then it can be 4 by 5. This will be 0.8. So there are two ways by which we can represent a rational number, either in P upon Q form or in decimal form. But there are certain numbers which cannot be represented in P upon Q form. Between two rational numbers, we have another category of numbers that are known as irrational numbers. दो रैशनल नंबर्स के बीच में इररेशनल नंबर्स होते हैं. तो ये कौन से नंबर होते हैं? इररेशनल नंबर्स. ये नंबर्स है जैसे हमारे पास है √2, √3, √5. तो इसमें मैं √4 भी तो लिख सकता था, वो क्यों नहीं लिखा? अगर हम देखते हैं √4 क्या होगा, √4 को हम लिख सकते हैं 2 क्रॉस 2, सो दिस विल बी इक्वल टू 2. मीन्स जिनका स्क्वायर रूट नहीं निकल सकता इन डेसिमल फॉर्म और रैशनल फॉर्म, उनको हम इररेशनल नंबर्स कहते हैं. अगर हम √2 को लेते हैं, √2 क्या होता है? 1.4142. सो दिस इज ए इररेशनल नंबर. इसी तरह से √3 क्या है? 1.73. इसी तरह √5. सो ऑल दीज नंबर्स आर इररेशनल नंबर्स, एंड कॉम्बिनेशन ऑफ दीज टू, rational and irrational, they become real numbers. So these are the real numbers. So on the overall briefing, अगर इसको ब्रीफ करेंगे तो क्या होगा? रियल नंबर्स में हमारे पास रैशनल नंबर्स है और इररेशनल नंबर है. और अगर रैशनल नंबर्स को देखें, स्टार्टिंग करते हैं हम नेचुरल नंबर से. नेचुरल नंबर्स कौन से होते हैं? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 एंड सो ऑन. दीज आर द नेचुरल नंबर्स. और इसके आगे क्या आएगा? अगर हम इसमें 0 लगा देते हैं तो क्या हो जाएगा? इफ वी इंक्लूड 0 इन इट, दिस बिकम्स होल नंबर्स. होल नंबर्स के बाद आएंगे इंटीजर्स। इंटीजर्स में क्या है, 0, पॉजिटिव नेचुरल और साथ में नेगेटिव भी आएंगे। सो दिस विल बिकम -5, -4, -3, -2, -1, 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 एंड सो ऑन। ये डैश डैश का मतलब दोनों साइड पे खुला है इसका। अब इंटीजर्स के बाद हम चलते हैं आगे, क्या हो गया, बिटवीन टू इंटीजर्स। क्या होता है हमारे पास, वी कैन हैव एनी नंबर ऑफ रैशनल नंबर्स, देयर आर रैशनल नंबर्स। सो ये तो हमारी कैटेगरी हो गई रैशनल की। वी कैन गो फ्रॉम हियर, सो ऑल दीज आर रैशनल। सो अगर हम कहें रैशनल नंबर, क्या एक रैशनल नंबर नेचुरल नंबर है? यस, दिस इज ए नेचुरल नंबर। और होल नंबर, होल नंबर्स में सभी नेचुरल नंबर आ जाएंगे, इंटीजर्स में सभी होल नंबर्स आ जाएंगे और रैशनल नंबर में सभी इंटीजर्स आ जाएंगे। ठीक है, ए नेचुरल रैशनल नंबर कैन बी ए नेचुरल नंबर, बट ए नेचुरल नंबर कैन नॉट बी ए रैशनल नंबर। So this is from here to this way. Then we come to the irrational numbers. In case of irrational numbers, we have those numbers where we cannot find, evaluate the their integral. We can find the integral part, the decimal part is not finishing. So we take it in another terms. एक और terms में लेते हैं इसको। जैसे हम इसका डेसिमल रिप्रेजेंटेशन देखते हैं रैशनल का, तो क्या होता है 0.6, 0.8। और एक नंबर मैं और लेता हूं, जैसे 1.3 है, तो 1.3 क्या आएगा, सो 1.3 है, दिस कैन बी रिप्रेजेंटेड एज 0.33333। तो ये क्या होता है, सो जिसको लिख सकते हैं 0.3 के ऊपर बार। बार क्या मतलब है, ये नंबर रिपीट करता है, बार बार आ रहा है। सो इसको हम कहते हैं रिकरिंग नंबर्स। सो रैशनल नंबर्स को हम ये भी कह सकते हैं रिकरिंग, दीज आर रिकरिंग डेसिमल्स। ठीक है, सो ये बार बार रिपीट करते रहेंगे। रिपीट करना, रिकर करना, सो इसको यो डेसिमल रिकर करते हैं, नॉन टर्मिनेटिंग recurring decimals. So these are non-terminating and recurring decimals. अब irrational में क्या होगा, irrational में क्या है, ये नॉन टर्मिनेटिंग भी है, ना तो ये खत्म होते हैं अंतरहित, एंड नॉन रिकरिंग, नॉन रेकरिंग। So these are the definitions of number system, जिसमें हमारे पास rational है, irrational है। So all these numbers belongs to these categories, rational and irrational. We take it as. Okay. So just these are the definitions. Now we will come with some properties and questions. So first we will rub it, then we will move to the next part. अब हमारे पास कुछ प्रॉपर्टीज हैं फॉर पॉजिटिव रियल नंबर्स। फॉर पॉजिटिव रियल नंबर्स क्या होता है, अंडर ए बी जो किसके बराबर होता है, अंडर ए इंटू अंडर बी, ये इसकी प्रॉपर्टी है। देन अंडर ए अपॉन बी किसके बराबर होगा, अंडर ए अपॉन अंडर बी। Then we have got under root a plus under root b, under root a minus under root b. इसमें हम सीधे फॉर्मूला लगा सकते हैं, अलजेब्रिक फॉर्मूला जो है a प्लस बी, a माइनस बी क्या होता है, दिस इज a स्क्वायर minus b square, this will be equal to a minus b. Then we have got a plus root b, a minus root b, again a square minus root b square, this will be a square minus b. So these are some of the properties. Then we can use the exponent forms. So when a exponent is given, law of exponents we can write here. So when base is same and we multiply the two numbers a raised to power m into a raised to power n, so this dot means multiply, this will result into, since base is same, we write it as a raised to power m plus n. So you can we can demonstrate it. For example, 2 raised to power 3 into 2 raised to power 2. So what is this 2 raised to power 3? This is 2 into 2 into 2, and 2 raised to power 2 is 2 into 2. So this will become 2 raised to power 5. So again this is 2 raised to power 3 plus 2. So again when you want to multiply two numbers having same base but with the different exponents, what we will do? We will multiply those two numbers. Now coming to the division of these two numbers, this is for multiplication a raised to power m, a raised to power n. So this is a raised to power m minus n. These two can be divided by subtracting the exponents. Then we have got a raised to power m, 2 raised to power n. This is a raised to power m n. So this is the multiplication. अगर हमारे पास कोई पावर उसके ऊपर पावर हो तो this will result into the multiplication of powers. Now अगर हमारे पास एक रैशनल नंबर है, एक इररेशनल है, हम कहते हैं if r is rational और s is irrational, तो r plus s क्या होगा? We have to check what will be r plus s. One is the rational, other is irrational, and what will be sum of these two? This will be always be irrational. And r minus s is also irrational. And if r is non-zero, means जो rational है वो non-zero finite है, it is not equal to 0, then rs and r upon s are also irrational. So इसमें हम चेक कर सकते हैं r की वैल्यू अगर हम 2 लेते हैं और s की वैल्यू ये 2 है, ये √3 है, तो क्या हो जाएगा? ये हो जाएगा 2 प्लस √3, इररेशनल है. ये 2 माइनस √3, ये भी इररेशनल है. ये क्या होगा? rs will be equal to 2√3 and this will be 2 upon √3. So all these are irrational. So when we operate different operations between a rational and irrational, the result is irrational. Result in case of irrational is because when r is not equal to 0. Means the rational 0 is also a rational number, but where here we are considering the non-zero finite. So these are the sum of the properties. Now we will move to some questions. Just we start with one of the questions. Before that we rub it. So based on these properties, now we will solve some questions. So first of all, we want to find a between two rational numbers we want to find a rational number. Let us take take two rational numbers 4 and 5. So we have to insert three rational numbers. Can we insert it? Yes, why not? We can have any number. For example, in decimal form we can write it as 4.1, 4.2, 4.3 and so on. So it can be infinite many. So what will be there in peak bond cube form? This will be 41 by 10, 42 by 10, 43 by 10 and so on. So these are three rational numbers between 4 and 5. Now there exists a rational number between two irrational numbers? So second question we take here, between under root 2 and under root 3, can we find any rational number? These are irrational. Between irrationals, we want to find rational. तो हमने इसमें क्या करना है, 2 और 3 में कुछ ऐसे नंबर देखने हैं जिसका अंडर रूट सॉल्व हो सके. तो जैसे हमारे पास 3 नंबर है, इसमें क्या हो जाएगा 2.25, 2.56 and this is 2.89. So all these numbers seems to be irrational but they are rational. How we can find them as rational? So this will be 1.5 into 1.5, this will be 1.6 into 1.6, 1.7 into 1.7. So this is 1.5, this is 1.6, this is 1.7. So like as we have infinite number of rational numbers between two rational numbers, similarly we can find any number of rational numbers between two irrationals. That depends, we can expand them to their higher decimal point. So then we can have some more rational between two rationals. Okay. Now next is, now we want to find out the irrational number out of the following. We have to check which of these are irrational, these are rational or irrational. So we are given this question, root of 4.9, root of 12 upon 3, root 7 under root 81. So we have to check which of these are rational, which are irrational. So let us start one by one. So first is root 4 by 9. What is root 4? This can be represented in rational form. This becomes your 2, root 9 is 3, and this is, we can write it as 12 upon 3. This will be 4, under root 4 is 2, and under root 7, this is your rational, because this we have written in the P upon Q form. This is also rational. Now this cannot be written further, so this is irrational. This cannot be simplified, so this is irrational. Now what is under root 81? This is 9, again rational. So there is only one irrational, this is your irrational numbers, which cannot be put into the P upon Q form. Then again we have to pick the irrational. So this is pick irrational. So 0.14, 0.1412, 0.1417 and 0.140144010023 and so on. Now let us check these. So this is the terminating decimal. If we have got terminating decimal, then this is a rational. So this will be a rational number. This is non-terminating but recurring. Non-terminating but recurring. So this will be a rational. As we have seen the definition, what is the definition of a rational number? It can be put in the P upon Q form, terminating decimal or non-terminating recurring. So this is your terminating decimal, this is non-terminating but recurring. Again recurring and non-terminating. So this will be rational, and this is your non-terminating and non-recurring. So this is irrational number. So basically what we are doing today, we are getting the difference between rational and irrational. So these two example specifies here what we did. First two questions we did, we inserted the rational number between two rationals. Here we inserted the rational numbers between two irrationals. There we have selected irrational number out of the given numbers depending upon the definition. So we will move further. So first we will clean it, then we will move to the next part. Then next is we want to find the value of 1.99999 in P upon Q form. So very simple. Actually what we are given here x is equal to 1.9. 9 is repeating, this is recurring. So how we do it? We write it as 1.9 and we put a bar here. This is first equation, multiply both sides by 10. We get, so what we get here, 10x is equal to 19.19 per bar. So what we written here, there are number of nines after decimal. So we left keep one 9 here remaining. अगर इसमें हम एक निकाल लेंगे 9 तो बाकी भी बहुत सारे रह जाएंगे, तो उसमें भी हमने 9 के ऊपर बार लगा दिया. सो ये सेकंड इक्वेशन है. सो सेकंड माइनस फर्स्ट, 10x is equal to 19.9 के ऊपर बार, x is equal to 1, this is equal to x is equal to 1.9 के ऊपर बार. तो इसको हम ऐसे भी लिख सकते हैं, तो दिस इज 1.9 के ऊपर बार. तो सब्ट्रैक्ट करेंगे क्या आ जाएगा, 9x is equal to 18, ये तो कट जाएगा, x is equal to 18 by 9. So this is x is equal to 2. So 1.9999 is equal to 2 upon 1. Then simply addition, 203 plus 103. This is the addition of the rational parts. Likewise we did in 2x plus x. This is equal to 3x. This will be 3 root 3. Then we have got 115, 110 मल्टीप्लाई करेंगे तो क्या आ जाएगा, √a इंटू √b is equal to √ab. 10 into 15, this is √150, which is 25 into 6, this is 506.